Presiden FIFA Gianni Infantino mendoakan timnas Indonesia agar sukses di babak keempat kualifikasi Piala Dunia 2026 zona Asia. Usai bertemu Presiden Prabowo di New York, Amerika Serikat, Presiden FIFA Gianni Infantino menyambut baik lolosnya Indonesia ke babak keempat kualifikasi Piala Dunia 2026 zona Asia. Infantino bilang tak ada yang menyangka Indonesia bisa melangkah sejauh ini. Infantino juga mendoakan agar timnas Indonesia sukses kendati harus melakoni laga yang berat.
Minister of Foreign Affairs.
Sir, great pleasure again. Great pleasure again.
My Secretary of the Cabinet,
It will be some very tough matches, some very difficult matches, but until some time ago, nobody would have even been dreaming that Indonesia would be playing two crucial matches for the qualification to the World Cup. World Cup is, of course, a highlight for every player, for every fan. So I wish the best of luck to Indonesia. I wish the best of luck to everyone participating.
Lantas bagaimana kans timnas Indonesia melakoni laga lawan Arab Saudi dan Irak?